MP Lok Sabha Dr. Ricky AJ Singkan habis cemeta hak jiro artis mata sini apa Lok Sabha ule thu apa Lok Sabha bah apa mekhla wala adakan National Green Tribunal kelakang ya kajing ti Dewïong handai la ui pat bah kani ke jela ki don bun ki bru ki bati Dewïong bat lani ki bayo mat khai Dewïong bat kita la tiap kum kita ki high level kat bagi ki pat bam ban jendai ba ki kan kimyo setia ban ti Dewïong mata kadau la kentu ya kasoka pedeng la dari ban khang senon ya baro pada dari ban pelait dan pelot ya baro omlei ban le siliang.
Dr. Ricky and Dr. Ricky and Dr. Ricky and
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for allowing me to speak on this 0 hour. Yes.
And 30 seconds.
Yes,
please.
I would like to draw your attention to this very important issue, and that is way back in 2014, the NGT banned the mining and transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya, which is one of the major activity of the people of our state. However, sir, the sad part is that in spite of the ban, there is this group which is known as the high-level group. They've been indulging in mining, indulging in transportation of coal. And this is very serious, sir. The government of the day in Meghalaya is turning a blind eye to this activity, and therefore I urge upon the government to take up this issue seriously, either to ensure that the ban is imposed, the blanket ban, or to open so that to allow, the people who have been dependent on this important industry for their livelihood. Thank you so much, sir.
Sri Narayan Das Ahirwar.